It is the last in the 916 series. It is the first with a mass-produced Testastretta, and it will blow your mind. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my review of the mighty 998. The 998 roars into life in 2002, a whole 8 years after the introduction of the iconic 916. During those 8 years, Ducati have bagged 6 World Superbike Championship titles and 1 place in the Guggenheim Museum of Modern Art. It is no surprise then that the 998 looks almost exactly the same as the 916, except for some more modern graphics, 5-spoke wheels and the more aerodynamic fairings of the 996R. Its luring lines and seductive eyes still make for a bedroom poster like no other and will put any fold-out you might have back in the drawer. You know which ones I mean. What has changed, however, is the engine. Ducati have noticed that the competition is catching up and are introducing the Testastretta. It was developed with the help of former Ferrari Formula 1 engineer Angelino Marchetti. It was first used on the 996R and now enters mass production with the 998. Testastretta stands for narrow head, which means it has a narrower 25-degree valve angle, flat top pistons and a more compact cylinder head. Now what that means is more power, the kind of power that will test just how strong your road legal race tires really are. Now thankfully, that new valve angle hasn't taken anything away from the engine's character. It still is an L-twin, it still has desmodromic valve actuation, it still doesn't like low revs or heavy traffic, and God bless your privates if you should ever test first gear engine braking accidentally. With its name-giving 998 cubic centimeters of displacement, it produces gravity-defying torque and it roars like thunder that would have made Thor proud in the halls of Valhalla. Make no mistake though, with its engine, ergonomics and geometry, this bike is neither a comfortable tourer nor a good commute. Just imagine doing push-ups for 2 hours and saying goodbye to any blood flow below your knees. The 998 likes long bends and smooth tarmac. Compared to modern sports bikes, she's not exactly eager to turn direction, but she will compensate for that with fantastic cornering stability. Give her what she needs, and this bike will reward you with a feeling like nothing, and I mean nothing else. A word of warning though, I got this bike in 2013 after a break of almost 10 years. When I looked it up on the internet, it looked really smooth and elegant with its beautiful design. When I went for a test ride at the dealership, however, I was in for a reality check. The uncompromising character of this motorcycle is sending you a clear message. I may have only 124 horsepower by modern standards, but I have no traction control, no ABS, no nothing. You either know what you're doing, or you can get yourself some new leathers. The 998 is a magnificent final outing of an already iconic 916 series. It is the most refined of the 916s, incorporating 8 years of experience in World Superbike racing and mass production. It requires a skilled hand, but it will reward your effort with a feeling like nothing else. If you should ever get the chance to ride one, do it. Donnie Desmo, out. It's running already.
Oh.
Okay, good. Ducati have noticed that the competition is catching up and are introducing the Testastretta. And that's all I know. The kind of power that will test how much grip your road legal... almost. It is a full-blown meter bike with gravity-defying torque and a thrust of rust of thunder and blah. Now thankfully, that new valve angle hasn't taken... I see you on the camera, do it again. But it will compensate for that with fantastic cornering stability. Damn it. When I looked it up on the internet,